guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today we have again Master Chef Enrico. We're going to do charcuterie again. We're going to do one very special and typical from Italy. It is lardo. Lardo basically in Italy is just pork fat. You need very thick one. Careful Enrico. You need a thick one with skin. Ask your butcher. This is not easy to find, but when you find, if you want to make lardo, you have to do this. Basically, it's we're gonna cure the pork fat. It's very nice on the bread. If we cook something, it's absolutely delicious and quite easy to do. Basically, you have to do is in one process. We do everything. We need a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of peppercorn, teaspoon of dry rosemary. This is 5 cloves, garlic. I have 5, around 10 bay leaves. Well done, Enrico. 200 grams of sea salt coarse, 250 grams of sea salt fine, 800 ml of water, sure. And some fresh herbs. We have thyme, marjoram, and rosemary. Well done, Enrico. What we're going to do now? We take first. Enrico, can you pass me that bowl, please? Thank you. You have to find a bowl. This lardo here is kilo, okay? Square to make inside this bowl, because this going in the fridge, because the one thing is about lardo take longer. It's around 90 to 100 days, even longer. But that's why you're going to put it in the bowl and leave in the fridge for 3-4 months. Okay, what we're going to do now? We take some salt coarse, take pinch inside. Yeah, put inside. Little bit more. Little bit more. Now we do it together. Okay, some salt on the bottom here. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you. Yeah. Some salt here, like that. Some, this one. Little bit. By hands, Enrico. Okay. Yeah. Put inside. Yeah, everywhere. Okay. Like this. Yeah, like this. Now we need some rosemary. Basically all the ingredient. Little bit inside, everywhere, Enrico. Yeah. More. Everything? No, half. Okie dokie. Put some bay leaves inside. No, all. Everywhere. Yeah, bravo. Put another 2. One more. That's it. Leave here. We need these gloves. They are 5. I put 5 of them. 3 inside here, Enrico. 1. Yeah. 2. And 3. That's it. Now is my turn, okay? Now we put some fresh herbs. Rosemary, like that. A little bit thyme, like that. Marjoram, like that. Is perfettissimo. 1 garlic. Inside like this. You want to put? Yeah, you put this one. Inside like this. Perfect. Pretty wet. Okay. Well done. When you do this, just take this bowl and put on the side. Enrico, can you take that big bowl there, with please? My dirty hand. Yes, please. Now we need to cure this. I don't want to make mess. Now we do all this salt on the top here. No, put like that together. Manina così. Yeah, go. All of it? No, little bit more. Stop. Okay. All of it. Now we put all this pepper on the top. All of it? Yeah, on the top. Yeah, on the top. This rosemary on the top. All of it. Yeah. Now we have this pepper on the top.
I'll put it in a different place.
Yeah, it's okay. And now, guys, we got another garlic like that. And now we cure it like this. everywhere, you know, everywhere. If you have some air here, everywhere. Guys, the job is almost done. A little bit more pepper, as well some fresh. Okie dokie. Now we take again this little bowl with one garlic. I forgot to say, just cut in half like that, the big one, and do on the bowl like that. You know, this is good for antibacterial, you know, in this way, like that, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna use later this. Now guys, the lardo inside, I square it before, and plus, I use this bowl, the 800 ml water, I try before, because if your bowl is bigger, you can use a little bit more water, a little bit more salt, but it's important the fat gonna be under the water, all, okay? Now we put a little bit more salt here, you know? Now, more salt, cover well, this salt all on the top, Enrico.
All of it?
All on the top here, well done. And now, cover like that, don't care about this, okie dokie. Now, these two on the top here, 1 and 2. We put a little bit more garlic. The job is almost done, guys. This is gonna be amazing. I know that. Enrico, prepare that leaves there. Yeah, put on the top here. No, all. Yeah, everywhere. Yeah. The bay leaves we finished. Just pour it inside. Yeah. Look at that, fantastic. You know, we leave like that. Now we leave a little bit more rosemary, a little bit more marjoram, okay? Thyme. All this flavor, guys, in 3 months, 4 months, gonna be amazing, okay? Now, basically, the work is finished. Now, what we're gonna do with this water? We take this. Now, Enrico gonna put all this salt inside this water.
I knew it.
Da, okay, piano piano.
All of it.
All of it. Oh, well done. Now, we try to dissolve it. Take your time. Basically, guys, the pork fat really knocks off the salt. That's why we use a lot of salt. But this is, we call in Italian, we're gonna do the salamoia, the curing, and it's gonna be all the flavor for this piece of fat. And this fat is specific coming from the neck, you know, because there is more thickening. Okay? Now, this is very old-fashioned. In Italy we have in Colonnate, where they do the best lardo, I think, in the world, because it's spectacular. That is the top. But more or less, I don't do that because it's impossible for me. But the process is that. We have one in Colonnate. Colonnate is one of the most famous. They don't use this plastic, they use the marble box. In North Italy, they use the wood box. But we are a normal person and we do in our fridge and we use plastic. Now, take your time and put the water in. Everywhere. It's amazing, huh? But this is very, very curious, old-fashioned stuff. You see? Push down. It's almost done. Yeah. Even is a lot, 800 for my bowl. That's why I use a little bit more salt, because you never know. Okay guys, now I can put a little bit more. I can say 750 ml is good. You know, we need push it down. I use this, I put the stick. We put like that. One more. Okie dokie. And one more. Thank you very much, Enrico. Now we put like this. When I put the lid on, This is gonna
They will
push.
in.
Oh, very clever, my Master Chef Enrico.
I think.
Make sure it's closed properly. Now guys, the job is done. This going in the fridge at least 90 days. Okay, but I'm gonna be more precise, lazy. 90 to 100, 100 and something. But
190.
no, but if you have the basement with 14, 15 degree of temperature is good basement. If not, we put in the fridge, okay? But anyway, the lardo is ready. Is this? Now I'm going to put it in the fridge. Find the space. Try to put it under where it's more a little bit not very cold. And see you in at least 90 days. And we're gonna try it and I'll see how delicious it is. See you later. See you in 90 days.
Bye.
Hi guys. After 100 days, my lardo is, I think, is ready. And now we're going to try. I just want to show you. I took it out from the fridge. Now you see, Susie show it. The salt is around. It's first time I open this. Look at the salt. Susie show everything. Look, still in the water. Look all the herbs. Wow, the smell is amazing. Very, very amazing. Now, what we're gonna do? Take these herbs. I have to try to take it. Okay, dokie. Now, what we're gonna do? Take everything. Wow, the smell is very nice. Try it a bit. Wow, I cannot wait to try it. Take your time, no rush always. Try it very nice. And I recommend you to get ready with 2 slices of bread, like in toast, because it's the best way to try it. A little bit skin off. Try the first. Take it like that, and we try this. Try to cut thin as possible. Something like that. Look at that, wow. I'm drooling, guys. There it is. And now that my bread is ready, look at that. And I'm gonna try. Because when the bread is a bit hot, melt it now. Wow! Guys, it is absolutely delicious. Juicy. Wow, unbelievable. This, guys, is another masterpiece. Wow. Unbelievable. Well done, Piero. This is another masterpiece. Guys, the lardo is this. Very easy to do. You need 3 months, a little bit 4 months, depend how long you can keep it. Absolutely delicious. Guys, the lardo is this. Oh yeah. If you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao.